So today's video is going to be a quick review on the new Fenty launches. We have the new Sunstalker bronzers, and we also have some new Kilowatt and Kilowatt duos. So I wanted to try and demo them for you in this video and just see what I think about them. So I have the two bronzers, the last two dark shades, which are Mocha Mami and Coconut-y. I was also sent the new Penny for Your Thoughts Kilowatt foil and Afternoon Snack and Mohoney Kilowatt duo as well. I don't actually have any of the Kilowatt duos because I felt like for me none of them were quite on the golden side, so I thought let me try this out. I think she had a good idea in mind in terms of bringing out bronzers. I feel like you could probably do a full face Fenty now. I think we have pretty much everything besides blushes, so maybe that's going to be coming out next. If you want to see what I think about them, keep on watching. So these are the two bronzers that I have. They have a really cool rose gold packaging. Obviously it's reflecting in the camera so you can't see very well, but it's really nice. And so I got Coconut-y and Mocha Mami. And from the swatches, from seeing it online, I felt like I would be in between these two shades just from off the bat, you know. So I haven't actually tried them on. This is Coconut-y. Coconut-y is described as deep shade with neutral undertones. Mocha Mami is a very deep shade with warm red undertones. So this should look a lot more red. This should look a lot more red on me. I would say that I'm leaning more towards that. Obviously this is a lot more on the darker side and this probably won't show up on me. Let me try Coconut-y. I'm taking this brush by Morphe. This is the R5 or the R3? R3 brush. And when you swatch this on your arm, it seems like it's quite pigmented, but when you use a brush, obviously the brush does give you more of a diffused color. So I'm applying Coconut-y. I don't have anything on my cheeks. I do have a natural cheekbone, like a natural contour cheekbone, but I still go over that with contour. So okay, so let's try Mocha Mami. Okay, so this one you are seeing some warmth being added. As you can see, I really like this one. Yes, I definitely would go for this one. It's not as red as I thought it would be, so it's not too bad. As you can see, compared to this side, this has a bit more warmth to my face, so I would definitely go for Mocha Mami. If you are darker than me though, I don't know, as in dark all the way down to like Nima Tang dark, I don't know if this will definitely, yeah, this will definitely not work for you in terms of a bronzer. You probably could get away with using it as a blush, but it doesn't run any deeper than this. Yeah, so as you can see, this definitely adds more warmth than Coconut-y. Let me do a quick swatch for you. See that anything swatched does look a lot more pigmented, and obviously when you use a brush it does kind of diffuse it. That is Coconut-y, that's Mocha Mami. I think they could have been a shade in between that and obviously a lot more darker. Okay, so we have the Kilowatt duo. This is Afternoon Snack and Mohoney. From the swatches online, I kind of felt like this looked a lot more champagne-y. Let's try and get a good picture. Let's try it on. I like my golden highlights, so I'm gonna try Afternoon Snack first. I'm gonna swatch Afternoon Snack, Mohoney next to that. Could have been a little bit more, just slightly bit more golden. This is Afternoon Snack. It's not bad. I kind of wish I got her actual brush. It's actually not bad. Although, like I said, I do prefer mine a little bit more golden. I'm going to add Mohoney on top for that kind of like shimmer effect. So it's actually not bad. It's not bad at all. I think my highlighter palette has something similar to this. If you are deeper skinned, you might feel that this might be a little bit ashy on you, so just to bear that in mind. But it doesn't look bad at all. It's quite nice. So yeah, I would definitely layer the two if you want more of like an intense highlight. Yeah, you can see it's more on the champagne side. I kind of wish it had a hint bit more gold to it. Gonna add a little bit to my inner tear ducts. I need a different shade for my nose because it's a little bit too champagne-y for my nose highlight. I'm gonna use my own highlighter palette. Yeah, much better. Okay, so final thoughts. I like the bronzer. Just to emphasize that a lot of people are very used to contouring, so they want like a really harsh, really, you know, very pigmented color, very and pay off. But this is meant to be nice and soft and give a nice like warmth to the skin. So don't expect like a lot of heaviness to it. When you do swatch it, it does come off looking a lot more pigmented, obviously because you're using like your finger and like swatching it. But with the brush, it is a lot more like diffused, a lot more softer. I feel like Coconut does not show up on me. You can hardly see it. So I would go for Mocha Mami. That's my only option. If you are a lot darker than me, probably from 460 downwards, you may not be able to use this. Like, so if you're like your Nima Tang, your Nikki Perkins, it definitely won't work for you. I think it will look better. I think it will probably give you more like a blush type of feel, like a natural blush type of feel to your face. But if you're if you're darker, it's not gonna work for you. So I feel like a lot of lighter skin people would benefit from this. If you're 300s and up, like the early 400s and 300s and up, you would definitely benefit from these shades. Okay, so there was one more highlight which I completely forgot about. It was the other Kilowatt, which is Penny for You Thoughts, which, by the way, can I just say I'm really loving the names. The names are so original, it's so fun. Let me also swatch Penny for Your Thoughts, because I feel like this is more of a bronzed. Oh, it's got, can you see that? And it's got like gold reflexes to it. It is so pretty. For me, this will work really well as a blush. So just gonna give you a lot more, yeah, shimmer to your face, basically. I think as an eyeshadow, perfect. I think I would definitely be reaching for this a lot more. So I would definitely recommend you go and try this out in store. Do not just order online, because the shades and the swatches can be a little bit, you know, different, you know, in pictures. So definitely go have a play around with it in store. They're available at Harvey Nichols and also in Sephora. I'd recommend the bronzers if you're on my skin tone and lighter. If you're slightly darker, you could probably get away with Mocha Mami. But for me, Coconut does not show up on me, so definitely just won't be used again. Most likely won't be used again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.